Welcome to SurveySparrow, and now in this video we will be learning about how to create chatbot. Many businesses have added chatbots to their customer communication system to increase customer engagement and to provide proactive customer support. The direct natural language interaction through a conversational interface is the distinctive feature of a chatbot. Now, there are different types of chatbots for you to choose from. There are drag and drop and code-based chatbots. The drag and drop bots are created using bot building platforms. They usually provide templates that correspond to a specific business purposes like e-commerce or marketing. The user is expected to add the features that they want the bot to have. On the other hand, code-based bots are built from scratch with the help of software frameworks and also comes with an inbuilt artificial intelligence technology. To get a working chatbot, you need to have a developed web app for your specific bot, messaging platform connectors to get messages from the chat platforms, NLP for message intent processing in a human language, and a server to ensure communication with the API. Bot development frameworks were created as advanced software tools that eliminate a large amount of manual work and accelerate the development process.